Hey, it's your boy Jeremy. Welcome back to my channel. So Christmas is coming. For those who haven't prepared for the holiday or just want to add some more flavors to your room, kind of spice it up. This video is just for you. Today I'm gonna share with you guys some cool, minimal, cheap, aesthetic DIYs for this holiday season. Also be sure to subscribe to this channel if you like more videos like this. Alright, let's just dive right in. To start off with our tree, you're gonna need a piece of paper depending on the size you want to make. Here I wrote it into a cone shape. Once you find your perfect shape, tape it down. Here I use this little handy ass glue tape roller. It's super convenient. Now we're gonna cut the extra part down there and we have our cone. Next, we're gonna need some yarn. I picked this amazing matcha green color. Use a glue gun to glue the yarn on top and start wrapping the cone with our yarn. Once our tree is covered in green, glue the yarn onto the bottom and trim off the excess white part. Now the body is done. I don't know why it just looks so tasty, it makes me so hungry. Now I'm gonna show you how to make this cute sparkling 3D star. Pull out a square piece of paper. Here I decided to make a bigger one so that it's easier to show you. For this little star, the side length needed is about 2 inches long. We're gonna fold it in half and reinforce the edge. Then fold the paper like this to form a triangle, but this time don't reinforce the line, just press down the midpoint, pull another side and fold it again. Now we have this intersection point right here. Bring another edge to this point and reinforce the line. Then fold the edge back. Bring in another side and repeat the process. Now fold it back. The two sides should meet perfectly. It's time to cut our paper. You need to cut inside this line. It depends on the shape you want your star to be. You can cut it deeper, that way your star looks a little thinner. We're gonna unfold the star and refold it. All the long lines should stand out, so we squeeze it inside out. Reinforce the edges again to make them stand out a little bit more, and finally your star looks like this. Put it on another piece of paper where you glue your star onto with your glue gun. And then cut the star out. Now we're dealing with the glitter. Use the paintbrush to apply some white glue onto the star and sprinkle the glitter. Use the leftover to sprinkle it again so that we don't waste. Now we're gonna let it dry. In the meantime, we can play around with the polystyrene beads. Dip them in the white glue and sprinkle some glitter to create our mini bulb ornaments. Once the glue is dry, attach all the ornaments we got to the tree. Be careful while using the glue gun because I literally just burned myself. And voila! You have this amazing Christmas tree made totally by yourself. To start off with this tree, we also need a piece of paper and write it into a cone. Cut up the excess part, grab some tinsel and glue one side on the top. Twine it around the tree. You can pick whatever color you like. I just want to make a plain silver tree. Silver is lit. Glue the other side on the bottom. I just decided to trim a little bit around the top to make some room for our star. Use the same way that I just showed you to make another star and attach it to the top. And ta-da! This tree is so minimal and so gorgeous. And yeah. So that's it for today's DIY. It's super easy to make them. Super easy. And I want to know which one is your favorite, so please comment down below. Also, if you like my DIY, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye! Merry Christmas!